Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Khalil Malik. I am the president of Philadelphia Jamaat. And today is September 13, 2020. And we are hosting a program here in Baitul Afiyat, Masjid Baitul Afiyat, Philadelphia, for donation of blood in commemoration of the September 11. This was an initiative of the USA Jamaat that every year our Jamaat is helping the donors organize it here, provide some volunteers from the Jamaat itself to donate blood so we can raise blood to save lives as part of our national and our civic responsibility. And we are very proud that we've been doing it here in Philadelphia for past several years. And inshallah today also we have a very good program, and all the slots which were reserved for it have been taken, and we're very thankful to the volunteers who are organizing it and the donors who are going to come and contribute. So may Allah bless this program and make it successful for all and save some lives with our humble effort as well and some contribution towards it. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Today we're here in Baitul Afiyat and we're having our annual blood drive this year. So what we're going to do is we're going to give you a little tour of exactly what happens when somebody comes in. So we're going to take you around. We're going to show you exactly what you're going to have to do to get the blood correct. So the first thing we're going to do, we want to walk you over here to this table. And over here, at this table here, is where we're going to find out if you're the right person and we got the right time slot. So we look in here, and once we got this straight and we know you're here in the right time slot, then we're going to give you this, which is a questionnaire to fill out. Once you've done that, then we want to walk you over here to this area. And in this area here, this is where you're going to sit down with an individual, and you are going to give them more specific information about who you are and the information that's required to collect the blood. Once that's done, you're going to come over here to this area here. You're going to walk over here to this area here. In this area, this is where they're going to actually sit you down, and they're going to collect the blood from you. So that will be your special chair there, right? So walking on around here, here's one of our members here that's giving up the sacrifice. And so once you get over here and all the blood is collected, and by this man here, Mr. Elvis, he's done a fantastic job here. And Mr. Elvis, he takes the blood, he puts it in these containers here, and these containers are then shipped up to another location to be analyzed. So, and in the end, come on, we got some goodies for you. We're gonna walk you around here, and once the procedure is completed, and we have you sit right here back in your chair if you like, or stand here, and then what we will do for you, since you have come out, we're going to give you one of these really nice gift bags, and inside we have a little t-shirt, a little easy ball for you, a little smiley face, and a couple other goodies, some chocolate. So that's what you've got waiting for you, okay?
Yeah, excited.
All right. Have a seat. You're welcome. Absolutely.